If you struggle with motivation, this video is for you. Today, I am going to literally hold your hand and take you through an exercise where we get ready together for the gym. So if you're watching this and you really should be working out, then come with me. Let me teach you my top hack for getting motivated, and let's get into the gym together. You could think of this as like a cute little accountability video where you and I just do this thing together, and you can use this over and over and over again. Whenever you're feeling unmotivated, you can turn this on and have me be your accountability buddy and take you through the process that it takes to go get dressed, get on your shoes, get out the door, and just get to it. Because listen, we all have these moments, even people who literally have a habit. They're not motivated every day. I'm not motivated every day. But what you need to do to stay motivated is be consistent. And since you're not always gonna have motivation, you can't rely on motivation. So let's get started. So I'm gonna teach you the mindset hack that you need to get to the gym right now without any motivation at all. So the key is gonna be, instead of thinking, wow, I now have to go get ready for my hour-long workout. Instead, you're gonna think about smaller actions that follow each other that eventually lead to getting you to your workout. For example, instead of I need to get up and go do my hour-long workout, it's actually I need to go upstairs. Sounds easy, right? It's much easier to get off my couch and go upstairs than get up off my couch and go do an hour-long workout. After you get upstairs, I need to go in my closet and pick out my clothes. So rather than just tell you all the little things, let's go upstairs and let's do this exact sequence of events where we're gonna stack smaller actions that go in a sequence until we get to the gym, and it's gonna feel so much easier and it requires zero motivation. Okay, so once we've gotten up from our desk, our couch, wherever we were hanging out and chilling, now the next thing to do is to just pick out an outfit to go in the gym in. Okay, so next sequence of events is not go to the gym, it's just pick out an outfit. As I was walking to my closet, look at this cutie. Don't let the distractions happen, because I really want to stop and pet my cat, but no, we're going to the closet, we're picking out an outfit, even though he has a almost 10 out of 10 perfect loaf, if you know what I mean. Okay, anyways, here we go. Picked it out, putting it on. Okay, just carrying on with this sequence of events, stringing them together. I'm packing my gym bag. I'm bringing my water bottle, a barbell pad, a band. I'm gonna bring my flatter training shoes, a towel, and whatever else you need, just put it in your gym bag. That's the next thing that we are doing now. So we have our bag together. I'm gonna go put on my shoes and head out the door, and we will almost be at the gym. That's it. So at this point in the video, you should be putting on your shoes with me and getting ready for our last step in the sequence. Okay, we have done the hardest parts, believe it or not, and the last and final step is to leave the house. And notice I still am not calling it going to the gym. I'm just calling it leaving the house. So that is our last step until you get to the gym, but we are just calling it leaving the house. I hope that you followed along with me and you're also now ready to go to the gym. If you are, amazing job. If not, save this for later, use it next time. When in doubt, remember, break down anything that you don't have motivation to do into smaller actions that follow one another. That's all you need to remember. Smaller actions that follow one another. It really removes the overwhelm and makes things very easy. Okay, what's the immediate next thing I need to do? You can apply this to anything, by the way. If you need to study, instead of, I need to study for this exam, it's literally just, I need to open my book. That's the first next thing, right? I need to open XYZ book. If you have a task that you've been putting off, you can think of what's the immediate next thing, or the very first thing I'd have to do to initiate this task, not to complete it. We often think we need to complete it, and that's very overwhelming. But what's just the first thing you have to do to start? And before I go to the gym myself, if all else fails, in terms of your workouts, just go on a walk. Go on a nature walk. It's great to get vitamin D, it's great to get fresh air, and walking is such an underrated, great way to get exercise. If you don't know what to do in the gym, just go for a walk. But if you want to learn what to do in the gym and you want to learn a plan that's also tailored to your body as a petite, I'm hosting my free masterclass coming up in the next couple days. You can check out all my live dates in the link below. In this free class, I walk you through exactly how to train and eat as a woman who's 5'4" and shorter, using the latest science and research about our body types as petites. I'm all about training smarter, not harder, you know, if you feel me. So you can sign up for free in the link below if you want to join me for that. Hope you guys love this video, and I will see you next week. Drop any of your best motivation hacks below. Also check out this video I made on a separate motivation hack that is related but a little bit different if you're looking for more motivation, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. I'm off to the gym now.